Hi guys, welcome to my channel Psychic Tarot. My name is Jyoti. Today we will see what are your person's feeling towards you. Okay, so we will do a pick a card reading. We will find out what are their current feelings towards you. Alright, so guys, as usual, I have kept two piles over here, group number 1, group number 2. Okay, so I would request you to choose any one pile. So we will see what are they feeling towards you and what advice do we have for you in this relationship and what's happening. Okay, so that is what we'll see here. So I would request you to choose any one of them. Follow your intuition, follow your heart, choose any one of them. Okay guys, please keep in mind that this is a general reading. It will resonate to most of you, not all of you. So take whatever resonates and leave the rest. Okay, you can pause the video and select your pile. Follow your intuition. I'll meet group number 2 in your reading. I have mentioned the timestamps below. I'll start with group number 1. Okay, so let's see what do we have in store for group number 1. So okay, this is for people who chose the white stone, King of Winter, Six of Summer, Seven of Summer, Princess of Winter. Okay, Four of Summer, Release, Heal, Manifest. Okay, group number 1, I feel that this person that you are dating or you are involved with, maybe you're married to this person, maybe you're dating this person, I don't know, this could be okay, somebody you are involved with. This person is in King of Winter phase. Okay, this person is somebody who needs guidance right now. Maybe you're dealing with somebody who is very experienced, they're more matured than you are. Okay, somebody who you may feel that this person is less emotional compared to you, or this could be somebody who doesn't show emotions so easily. At least they are not doing it right now. Okay, this person is in a place, in a phase where they are seeking guidance and advice from other people around them in this relationship with you. Okay, it's like they don't know what to do. Should I not? Okay, this is like they are in the zone where they are thinking a lot. Okay, in some cases I feel that this person is somebody, they are, maybe you are dealing with a person who is still stuck with someone from their past. Okay, maybe this person that you are dating or you are in touch with, they have recently broken up with somebody and now they have met you, or this person is releasing something. Maybe they were hurt in the past or they have gone through a lot in the recent past. This person is in this energy where they are trying to release all the negative thoughts, or they are trying to release a portion. I do see healings. Okay, this person is healing from a trauma that they have been through already, maybe, and you have met this person now after, or you are in this process where you may have met this person when they are going through some issues in their life. Either they're not getting along, maybe this person is already dating somebody else, they are not getting along with that person, they are on a verge of breakup and you have met this person, or this person is in some other relationship and you have met this person, or this person could be somebody you are dating but they still have some memories of their past person in their heart, or they are healing emotionally, mentally, physically, in some way. That is why they are in this place of King of Winter. Okay, this person feels that maybe somebody has left this person in the past. See, this person is someone, guys. Maybe you have met this. For some of you, I feel that you have met this person after a long, long time. Maybe you were dating once upon a time, then you got separated, then you have come back together after few years. Or this could be, you may have broken up with this person in middle, but now you have come back together. That kind of energy. All right. Or this could be, maybe this person is a single parent, maybe they have children, or you have children. That could also be the thing. So this person really loves you a lot. Okay, we have the six of summer here. This person is somebody who wants to do many things for you right now. Maybe some of you, okay, I do see that this person really loves you a lot. They are the one, they have been wishing and praying to have you in their life all this while. Okay, but right now this person is not in a place where they can actually show their love to you. This person needs time. This person needs time because they are already going through a lot. Okay, maybe they are going through some issues in their family. This could be anything, or this could be at their work front also. Maybe they are stressed because of their work. So this person is going through a lot right now, because of which they are not, you may feel that this person is being distant, or this person is talking less to you or spending less quality time with you. That kind of energy. In some cases we have the princess of winter here, so maybe this person wants to come and tell you something. I do see that this person feels they should reveal their side to you. They have something to tell you. So I do see that this person wants to share some things to you. Now this could be a secret about their past, or this could be something. This person has something in their heart, okay, and they want to tell this to you. What it is, I don't know, but there is something that this person wants to confess. They want to talk to you. I do feel that this person has something to tell you. All right, this person is in place, guys, where they feel that maybe this person did not tell you things because they fear rejection. They feel, what if they tell you and you reject them? Okay, that is also what I feel. This person feels that what if they tell you the truth and you will reject this person? Okay, that could also be the thing for some of you. I do see that this person wants to tell you something, but then they feel, what if you reject them? What if you don't accept them back? Something like this. I don't know what it is. I'm not going deeper. I'm just seeing the current feelings for you. Okay. Now this person right now, whoever you are dealing with, they are in this place of, I don't know why I have got these cards. Okay. They are in this process where they're releasing something. This could be a negative thought patterns. This could be a person in their life. This could be a past person, an ex, or I don't know, maybe this person you're dealing with, they are getting separated, or they are getting divorced. They are in this place where they are getting divorced. They are in this place they are getting separated from their partner. I don't know. So this person you are dealing with now, some of you, I feel that you are dating a person who is already in this process of releasing someone in their life, and this person is healing. Okay, that is happening for sure. That is, this person has a lot right now on their plate right now. It's like mentally they are very disturbed. Okay, they may not tell you, but this person is mentally disturbed. Okay, they are healing internally. They may not tell you, but they are. At the same time, they know your value. They know what you are to them. Okay, they know what all you have done for them. This person is somebody, okay, they see a beautiful future with you. They see a future with you. They are manifesting you. It's like they want you. Okay, they know that you are the one who can make this person happy. Okay, they know that. All right, this person is manifesting you, guys. They are manifesting you, but it's just that the timings are not perfect because this person is going through a lot right now. See, this is true love. I think some of you are dealing with a person, and this is true love. This person genuinely loves you. Okay, there is no doubt about it. This person genuinely loves you. Children, so maybe one of you are single parent, or children could be a reason, or I don't know, children could be a reason because of which this person is not taking any steps towards you, or maybe you are not taking any steps towards this person. So children could be prominent here for some of you. And for the others of you, your self-respect makes you more romantically attractive. So I don't know, this card is trying to tell you guys, some of you are being very impatient. Okay, impatient in a sense where you're very much disturbed mentally. You literally wait for this person to message you, you wait for this person to call you, you wait for this person to text you, or maybe there is a distance that has come between both of you all of a sudden, and you worry a lot. Okay, and you worry so much so that you are just not happy without this person. Don't let that happen. Okay, this message is trying to tell you that love yourself first. This person is not going anywhere, they are coming to you, because this reading is all about reconciliation. We have the 6 of summer here, the 7 of summer here. This person cannot live without you guys. Okay, so just don't worry, this person will come to you with a clarity. They want to be clear before they move forward with you. Okay, so this is all about, I do see that you guys are going to come together in this reading, if at all you are in separation, or if at all you are in no contact. Okay, now as far as the advice is concerned, have faith in your dreams. Some of you, I'm telling you that you may have lost faith in this person or in this relationship. You feel that you may have lost this person, but no, this person is just going through a rough patch. You just have to wait for them to realize your value, wait for them to come to you. That is the message. Look at this, believe in the impossible. That's the advice for you, believe in the impossible. Okay, maybe you're dealing with somebody who is a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, because these signs are prominent. Sun signs could be any, but these sun signs are very prominent. Gemini, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. These 6 sun signs are very prominent in this reading. Okay, believe in the impossible. You feel that this relationship is impossible. You feel now things won't happen as per what you had planned. You feel that things won't happen as per what you had planned with this person, but that's wrong. Okay, believe in the impossible. So this is an advice that you're getting from universe. So universe has brought you together because this is true love. Okay, so no one can separate you both, at least in this reading. I don't know. Okay, and the third message is meditate and contemplate, because you're being very impatient. Love yourself first. Okay, don't message this person a lot, don't call them. I think the message that I get here, group number 1, step back. Some of you, I feel that you may have to step back in this relationship. Okay, if you feel that this person is not paying attention to you, or they ignore you, or they take you for granted, the message is step back for a while. It's like, just don't give as much as you were in the past. Okay, step back, go slow. Okay, if you are going to be available to this person 24 hours a day, they won't realize who you are, they won't realize your worth. Okay, for them to realize your worth, you will have to step back in this relationship. So you will have to step back so that this person realizes your value. Don't fear that what if you step back and this person goes away with somebody else. No, that's not going to happen. Okay, this person is sent for a reason in your life, so they are meant to stay in your life, so they are not going anywhere. It's just that you don't have to make yourself easily available to this person 24 hours a day. Just step back. If you want, you can just stop talking to them for a while, stop messaging them, or wait for them to take the initiative first. You don't give in too much in this relationship for a while. You have to continue doing this for 2-3 months. Just step back a little. Okay, maybe you were giving in 100% earlier, give only 50% now. Do something, do less than what you were doing in the past. Okay, and this person is not going anywhere. They'll come back to you, they'll realize your value, and they'll come back to you. Okay, that's the message here. So that is it, group number 1. I really hope you enjoyed my readings. So if you did, I would request you to please like this video. If you're new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that every time I come up with such readings, you get instant notifications. And all other details are mentioned below in the description box. You can check there. Okay, So that is it, you guys. You take care. Bye bye. I'll proceed further to group number 2. Welcome group number 2. Let's see what do we have in store for you. We have the Sun. The first card is Sun. Second is 2 of Summer. Third is 8 of Summer. 10 of Summer. 7 of Spring. Challenging times. Heart chakra, win or lose. Okay, this is like this. Okay. Okay. Group number 2. Okay, let me pull these 3 cards also. Okay. So group number 2, as far as your person is concerned, this person is somebody, okay, I do see them, they are madly in love with you. Okay, this person is somebody who loves you a lot. They are somebody, maybe this person is someone you are married to. You have had some good time in the past, everything was beautiful, but as on today, I feel this person is stuck somewhere. This person is in this 8 of Summer energy where they are caught up in a difficult situation. Okay, I told you, see, this is, you guys are going through some challenging times between both of you. Okay, so challenging times means, I don't know, I sense that this person feels that maybe you, in some cases, because it's a general reading, this could be vice versa too, but for some of you, I feel that this person feels that you are not happy with this person, or you may have left this person, or you are not loyal to this person. Okay, that kind of energy. This person feels that they have trust issues here for sure. Okay, they feel that maybe you have betrayed this person. That's their feeling, or they think like this. All right. And now this could be vice versa also in some cases, but for most of you, I feel that it is you, this person feels that it's you who may have left them, or maybe you have distanced yourself from this person all of a sudden. Okay, maybe you're ghosting this person. They feel they are like in this place where they're wondering, where is he, where is she, why are they not calling me, why are they not talking to me. Okay, this person is like, you know, and maybe you're dealing with somebody whose heart chakra is blocked. Maybe you feel that this person is somebody who just don't open up, or they don't show their emotions, that kind of energy. Okay, maybe this person, I feel that their heart chakra is blocked. They are less emotional, they don't talk. Okay, and or this is somebody who doesn't take a stand for you, they take you for granted. And okay, so this is a person who may have been taking you for granted all this while. That is what I feel. And you are like, you were in this hangman position all this while, you know, where you felt as if this is not going anywhere. And maybe you have taken a step back already in this relationship, because of which this person feels maybe you're not investing as you were in the past, and this person feels that maybe you have left them, abandoned them all of a sudden. That could be the thing. Okay, but yes, they have love for you, they love you, they view you as somebody, I think you are the only happiness that they have right now. Okay, you are somebody they see their life with, they see their future with. I see them, you know, they dream, they want to get married to you. We have the 2 of Summer here, so it's like too much love, and from both the ends. Okay, you both love each other too much. Of course you guys are going through these challenging times because one of you is not taking the stand, and as far as I feel, this is the person who may have to take a decision in this relationship. Maybe they have to talk to their parents, they have to talk to your parents, they have to make a decision for sure. Okay, with the seven of spring, I feel that this person right now, they have made up their mind. Okay, after going through all this, after going through the separation, okay, you guys have, I don't know, I feel that you may be, some of you may have chosen this pile because you are in no contact with this person, you are not talking to this person at all, or there is no communication between both of you, and that is why you have chosen this. Now because of which, I think maybe because of this separation has taught this person something. Okay, this person is going to take a stand for you very soon. Okay, this is their current emotions for you. Okay, they want to do things for you, they want to fight for you, they want to fight for this relationship. They have made their mind that way. See, this person feels, it is very risky. This person feels that this is a win or lose situation. Okay, either they are going to win you or they are going to lose you. They know it, they know it for sure. I don't know what situations you are in. There are many people involved in these readings, so different situations for different people, but this person feels that to be with you, it's a win or a lose situation. Either they are going to win you or they are going to lose. There is no midway in this. Okay, so it's, I don't know, for group number 2, I feel that your relationship is very complicated. Okay, you are dealing with a person and this relationship is very complicated. Maybe there are many other aspects that are involved in this relationship, because of which this relationship in totality is complicated. It's not so easy as it is for some people. Okay, so this relationship is complicated. For whoever this reading resonates, I don't know, do let me know in the comment section. But I see that you guys are in a very complicated relationship. It is going to take time and it is like a win or lose situation. So either you both are going to come back and you both are going to have a good life, or you're going to move away from each other. And it's very difficult. Not, I don't see it's difficult, but it's dicey. The success rate of this relationship is 50%. So either you're going to come together or you're going to lose each other. It's that difficult. Okay, for some of you, yes, that's the message, that you may have to take help from your relatives, your friends, your family. Maybe you have to involve people around you, common people, okay, so that they can help you in this relationship, because you're going through separation. Maybe you can ask your friends to make you both meet, or you can involve your friends or family or common people, so that you both come back and talk to each other and you both get back to each other if you are in separation. Okay, this is for people who are in no contact. So maybe you may, this is the advice, you may have to take help from people around you. Okay, for the others of you, since I told you that you may have chosen this pile because you know that this relationship is going through a very difficult phase. Okay, it's like a challenging relationship. It's either lose or win. So if you win, well and good, because that is what I see for most of you. You will win. Okay, you will win, because this person is somebody who views you as their soulmate, so they won't give up on you for sure. They're going to take stand for you. For the others of you, because you're going through this challenging time and you see this relationship is very dicey, maybe, I don't know why I feel, in some cases, because this is dicey, I feel it's you who doesn't want this person anymore. Maybe you are tired, or maybe you are trying to give up on this person, or you are at least you feel like giving up on this person, and this person knows that. They fear losing you. Or maybe you have already left this person, because we have the 10 of summer, 8 of summer with this card. So some of you have already left this person. You're not talking to each other for whatever reasons. You guys are going to meet your soulmate, but you will have to put in equal efforts. Equal efforts meaning your prayers, your affirmations and visualizations will help you both come together. Okay, come together to this energy of 2 of summer. and the sun. I think this person is ready to take stand for you, okay, but maybe you are not investing enough in this relationship, okay. That is why this card is trying to tell me that you guys will have to work on this relationship equally. Maybe you will have to compromise. Some of you may have to compromise in this relationship, or this is like, you have to give more rather than take, that kind of energy, okay. For others of you who are in separation and you're single, you have pulled this pile thinking about an ex. Somebody new is being sent in your life, okay. If this is your ex, I do see someone new coming your life. And these 3 cards are the advice card. Let's see. The first is step out of your comfort zone. I told you, some of you, I think you'll have to work on this relationship equally. It's an equal give and take. Maybe, I don't know, now this is for some of you, not all of you. Some of you, you expect this person to work on this relationship, but you too will have to do that, okay. You'll have to step out of your comfort zone and work towards this person. Maybe this person is not easy, okay. You feel that this person is not so easy. You will have to put in some efforts towards this person if you want this relationship to work, okay. You may have to put in some efforts. A new start is coming. A relationship that had gone sour in the past, okay, maybe you are not in contact with this person, you are in this energy, I don't know. I do see a new start. It's like a relationship which had gone worse, I think is going to get revived now, okay. So a new start is coming for sure. Some of you, yeah. Now this is show the world the real you. It's time for you to show your real self to this person. Maybe there is something that you guys are hiding from this person. You have some things to tell to this person. Maybe there's something in your heart that you want to tell, confess, or you want to share, but you are keeping it to yourself, okay. Maybe there's something in your heart that you want to confess to this person, you want to talk to this person. I think this card is trying to tell you that show the world the real you. You have to show this person your true feelings, okay. Show your real feelings to this person. Share your innermost self to this person. That's the advice that I see here. Maybe some of you, you are like, you are in relationship with this person, but yet you're hiding it from people around you or from your family members. I don't know, whatever it is, but I think the time has come that you should reveal it to people around you if you really love this person, okay. That's the message. So that is it, guys. I really hope group number 2 you enjoyed this reading. If you did, I would request you to please like this video, and if you're new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel, do hit the bell notification so that every time I upload a new video you get instant notifications. And all other details are mentioned below in the description box. You can stay in touch with me there also. So that is it, you guys. You take care, be safe, bye.